Alright, while I was waiting for that, well, welcome, welcome to another video. But, while I was waiting for that other video to upload, I did a lot of mining. Um, I found 3 diamonds and like 20, here I'll show you. I found, a few things just to help us get back to stuff. These tools that I'm using are actually, from the iron that I smelted earlier, and I put in a chest that I completely forgot about. It helped a lot. But here's the resources that I have so far. Every time I find something, I put it in here, especially if it's like diamonds like that. The diamonds were like, oh, they were right under here. All 3 of them were here, here, and there. So that's where they were. And I haven't checked on the farm in a while. I've just been down here. I conquered that stupid thing. What was it? It's that spider spawner that killed me before. I broke the spawner, killed the spiders that came out of the spawner, and collected the loot. There were actually 2 chests, and there was a name tag, a bucket, horse armor, and a enchanted book of feather falling, I think. So I got those. The rest were like flesh, string, and everything. So I didn't get those. But I can go back and get the string if I absolutely need it. Sure, I really wouldn't. I mean, the only thing that I would need it for is a bow, and I don't usually use bows. Gonna have to learn how to, because if I want to become good at PvP, then I gotta use a bow. I don't absolutely have to, but it would be helpful. 11? 11? Yeah, 11. Just gonna go up one. Just really trying to look for more diamonds. And this, I guess. If I need more pickaxes, then I can actually just, get more by making a furnace. What I need is right now is coal. I only got 3 coal so far, and I got a lot of everything else, and I'm running out of torches. I mean, I used the 3 coal for these torches, so. Jeez. I need torches so often, and it surprises me how fast I need them. It means I've gone far. It looks like there's another cave coming up here. I should get a second bed for caves, so that if I die I can just like restart where I need to. Oh my gosh. I need to use my last one. Okay, please, I just need diamonds. Ugh. Well, I don't think, oh, I have 5 iron on me, that's enough. I got a ton of wood before I came down here. I fixed the house, I think that's one of the things that I needed to do. I don't know where to place this. How about right here? So we gotta make a few furnaces. Make 3. 1 here, here, and here. I don't have coal. Eight. Well, actually half that. I don't know how much it takes, though. Fancy to get my pickaxe back and start mining. Bruh, are you kidding me? Dude, stop with those cave sounds. Dude, that's so scary. Oh, God. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Could have gotten a stone pickaxe and done that, but no, thank you. I can't. Not right now. I was excited to get my iron pickaxe back. Oh, yes. This will be very helpful. Didn't even know I mined past so much. It's dark sometimes. Hopefully no mobs spawn there. Probably will, but whatever. Oh yeah. Look at that. I actually don't know the lowest spawning point of diamonds. All I know is it's about Y14 and under. My brother has had, he says he has the most luck with Y12. So that's why we're mining on Y12. Okay. Time to keep on going. Okay, I'm just gonna stick this stuff in there. Oh my gosh. Dude. That's for emergencies. Oops. I'm gonna need that. Gosh, why do I always use the crafting table for this stuff? Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Now we can go back and light everything up. Did I find a cave back here? I kind of forgot. No, I didn't. Okay. Oh geez. And I don't have a shovel, so think there's a cave right over here. I spotted a mine shaft in the ravine too. I really don't want to waste durability on gravel. Bro. What is over here? Okay, one day I'm just gonna take a shovel and completely shovel this out because I'm honestly curious why there's so much shovelable stuff over here. Okay. I hear a zombie and water over here. Don't necessarily want to. Oh my gosh, I hear my worst enemy. Skeleton. Yay. Hate skeletons. Okay, let's keep this place. Oh my gosh, these cave sounds are terrifying. I call them cave sounds. Are they mining sounds? Just can't help but think that. I guess it can go either way, but okay, it's getting really loud water here. Oh, okay, maybe that's why. Alright, let's go up. Hopefully it's not deep, okay. Bro, is this the same ravine? Oh my gosh, if it is, I think it is, so... Oh wow, maybe not. I don't know really where to start. Let's just treat this like a lava lake. Because, I mean, getting in this water wouldn't be very good. And because I'm clumsy... Oh, why did I do that? Okay, yep, that's good. Well, I don't really see anything I want. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to the surface. I'll see you